Hi, I am Andrea Taberna and I am going to tell you briefly about our new study entitled How Pervasive is Joint Attention? Mother-child dyads from a WICHI community reveal a different form of togetherness. Here I will focus on why it is important and what we found. Developmental psychology has illuminated the power of parent-infant joint attention as a platform for infant socialization and learning. But the ways in which we interact with our infants varies considerably across cultures. For example, in Western communities, mothers tend to engage directly with their infants, talking to them and showing them objects. But when we step outside of Western contexts, mothers engage in little direct interaction with their infants and even refrain from talking directly to their infants before they themselves begin to talk. This raises an important question. How is infant attention and socialization, two key mechanisms of early development, inflected and shaped by culture? To test this, we focus on two distinct communities living in Argentina. First, we focused on an indigenous community, the WICHI, who live in the Monte Chaqueño in North Argentina, who speak their native language, the Huichilontes, exclusively at home. Building on our long-standing relationships in this community, we were given permission to videotape parent-infant interactions in 8 families as they naturally unfolded. We then compared this to interactions among 8 Eurodescendant Spanish-speaking mother-infant dyads living in an urban town in Argentina. Our results, which constitute the first of its kind, reveal 4 new important findings. First, there were no differences across communities in the proportion of time infants spend alone or in mother-child interaction. Second, what does differ is how mothers engage in these interactions. WICHI mothers spend a greater proportion of their time observing their infants than do Eurodescendant mothers. Third, when infants are alone, they engage differently, WICHI infants tending to observe the objects and events visible in their environments, whereas Eurodescendant infants tending to engage physically with the available objects. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we identified a new pattern of mother-infant interaction among the WICHI. Eurodescendant mothers tending to engage directly with their infants in joint attention episodes with objects. WICHI mothers did something different. They watched their infants attentively as they engaged with objects in a pattern we call lateral joint attention. They used non-verbal behaviors, eye gaze, body posture, facial expression, to attend to the child and object from the sidelines. They were thus lateral participants, taking part in the interaction without explicitly intervening and, most importantly, without directly addressing the child. This work illustrates how attention and socialization, key mechanisms of early development, are culturally organized.